What is up, everybody? Welcome to another DeadKicks.com unboxing. First off, we'd like to throw a shout out to Twitter user DMV Sneakers. We'll put his Twitter handle down in the description. Hooked us up with the assist on this on release day with the straight oop. These were he picked them up. We'll show you where he picked them up, but hooked it up with retail plus shipping. So shout out to him, we appreciate you. We'll also throw that shout out like we said up on Twitter for you. And let's hop into the unboxing. As always, you can check out all our pairs at DeadKicks.com/shop. Here we go. We got some nice packaging, appreciate that. Air bubbles, always nice. Alright. You can probably already tell where they came from. You see that FTA stands for Footaction. If you guys didn't know, FTL is Foot Locker, and then I believe CHA I believe is Champs, but they're all owned by the same company. Foot Locker, Champs, Footaction, all the same company, so they all have these stickers on here. So anybody who ever questions that, you know that they're authentic. They came from a retail store. If you see that sticker, like I said, we took in some pre-orders for this release. We had about 6 pre-orders come in. We were able to cop 5 on release day. The last one was this 8.5 right here. Once again, we want to shout out DMV Sneakers on Twitter, hooking it up with this 8.5. Let's check out the shoe. Like I said, Footaction receipt. Still clean the second time around, just as nice. Unfortunately, these are going out first thing tomorrow morning. Like I said, they were a pre-order. We will have our other pre-orders that we got from Finish Line coming in pretty soon, so we're going to be doing our HD review then. Until then, you guys can check us out, DeadKicks.com. Super clean shoe, the gray toe 13s. Appreciate you again, DMV Sneakers. We'll throw out that shout out on Twitter, and we got you here on YouTube. Peace.